In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer music from PC to Android phone. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, connect your phone to laptop or computer using your charging cable. Now connect your USB port to computer and other end to your mobile. Now you will receive a notification on your phone. Just click on it. After that, tap on transfer files and then you will see something like this on your computer screen. I'll make it full screen, and now this is your mobile device. I want to transfer my mp3 files to my mobile. So for that, locate your mp3 files. I'll find my files here. These are my files. I want to take it. For that, select your files and now right click on them and copy them. And once you copy it, go to your mobile. This is my mobile, so simply I'll click on it. Then go to your mobile device and select the folder where you want to put your files. I want to put it in my music folder. Just click on it and after that right click here and click on paste. There you go, I have successfully transferred my music files from my PC to mobile. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.